you guys asked for the makeup tutorial, so we're gonna start with skincare and then go on to makeup. And you're gonna get a sneak peek, and I'm gonna have a little guess because I heard the pitter patter of her little tiny feet. I have a little helper.
I want to use makeup.
Okay, we're gonna start with the rose water.
Ooh,
We're doing skincare first.
it smells good.
That's good, right? Then you're getting a sneak peek because Region Aesthetics sent me this
You
moisturizer.
only put on your cheekies.
The spray that I just used, you can put on your face. You like it?
Yeah. What's that? Can that burn my eyes?
This one is for mommies.
I want one. Not a little.
Use the blue one behind you. This one is for mommies. You're too young for this one. And they also sent me their facial serum, which you guys will get a whole video about
Mom,
these.
I want one.
So I'm just putting a little on here.
Mom, some.
Honey, this is for mommies. You have one right behind you. Grab yours.
And this is what I need every day.
I let her use the e.l.f. one. Need help?
Yeah.
How do you ask?
Please.
Say, Mom, can you help me,
Can
please?
you help me?
Yes. And then you guys saw the video on this one, the vitamin C serum.
I
The
want to use
CBD one
them.
from Mama Medicinals.
Can I have
use
some?
theirs too. No,
some?
this is for mommies also. I gave you what you could use. Skincare is so important. It's more important than whatever makeup you're going to be putting on your face. You can't expect your foundation, concealer, powders, everything to look good if you haven't been doing skincare routinely. I'm not talking about just like every once in a while doing skincare. No, it needs to be
Mama,
a
can
routine.
I use these?
The NARS, I am running out of it. I need to get more. Foundation, this is the Natural Radiant Longwear. I love this foundation. I get the most compliments on it out of all the foundations.
And this
that I
is what
wear.
I use every day.
That's what you use every day, your eyelash curler?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ask me why I'm using the world's smallest brush. I have no idea. Just blend it with
It
this.
looks like sand.
No. Close that up, please.
I just want to feel it for a second, please.
See how pretty
I
this
got a
foundation
lot.
is? Got a lot? Oh, honey. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, can I borrow some? Thank you. She just dumped all of this out onto her hands, but we're using the Huda powder to set our makeup. Oh, wow.
What? I want to see.
I only grabbed it now. I usually do concealer first, but she literally dumped it everywhere. And then I love the Senna concealer. This is my own personal. Can you close that up? As I was saying, this is my own personal one, so I'm just going to dip right in there with my brush. I don't use this on anyone else but myself.
Please, can I just check?
Look with your eyes. Leave it closed, please.
Let me just take a peek.
I like to even up this freaking...
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I almost take some out. but
Oh,
I
okay.
didn't.
Yeah, please
But-
don't. Thank you.
So, what do
Then-
you have here else?
Foundation brush. Just buff it all out.
What's this?
Foundation.
Foundation. Can I have some?
Sure. You don't need it, but you can use it if you want to. And then I'm just going to
I
spot
do want to
conceal.
use it. But what?
Cool.
Thanks.
What'd you find?
That's
Eyeshadow? Okay. Now let's set the under eyes for real. Go back in with the Huda again. Just a little bit. You don't need a lot. I see a lot of people that like take a whole bunch to set. It's really, you don't need that much. You just need a little tiny bit. See? Nice and matte. If you do a whole bunch, it's just gonna look cakey.
You know, guys, this is what every day I do.
Oh yeah, you
Blue
do?
is my favorite.
Blue is your favorite.
Do you know why blue is my favorite?
Alright, tell me.
Because it's my favorite.
That makes sense. And I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. Brush them up. Just using some, I'm not even gonna show you my eyeshadow palette for it because it was like other eyeshadows that I took out and stuck into this container, but if it broke, so if I open it, it's just gonna spill out everywhere.
Shiny.
And I just fill them in. Don't
They
go
look
crazy
shiny,
outside
but
of their
it's
shape or
funny
anything.
what
I
sound
just
put in.
fill what I have. You look good, kid.
What do we have opening it up to?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be big.
What, baby?
Ooh, this looks nice.
face
No,
wash.
It's dripping.
Okay, put it in the sink. I use the Essence mascara. I love it.
Looks not gonna go on this skirt.
I love this mascara.
Cool.
And it's really cheap.
What's
It's like
cheap?
$5.
What's cheap, Mommy?
This mascara.
I'm
I know, I heard it. I'll get it. Also, I'm getting ready for work at the moment. I'm just not. I have work tonight, so
Are you serious? I'm getting down.
let me help you. Come here.
I don't want to see your eyelash.
Okay.
Goodbye. You're done.
Bye, my darling. Where do they get this from, these kids? Okay, this is like my most simple makeup. My favorite thing, and the label is not even on here anymore because I got it so long ago. It's this bronzer from MAC Cosmetics. I swear to God, I got it when I was like in high school, and it's still holding on strong. And it's almost empty, and I'm gonna be so sad when it is, because I just love it. It's like a bronzer, shimmer, highlighter all in one. It's gorgeous, and I'm sorry that I'm showing it to you, but it literally is my everyday like staple bronzer in the summertime. It's freaking gorgeous. And if anyone from MAC knows, or old school MAC I should say, knows what this was, let me know. I worked there for a long time, but I would say almost 5 years, but this wasn't there when I was working there. Around here though, we need a little bit more powder, and like right in here, I just don't like it to be super shiny there. So I'm gonna actually take my Fenty powder, just a little bit of Fenty. Put it here, right around here, and here. Okay. I switched powders because she dumped my whole Huda out, and now I don't have any more, but both powders are great. For blush, I'm just gonna use the e.l.f. Glow liquid blush. I don't know, I really like this. It's easy to use, it's really pretty. Just like a little bit of color. I don't want to go crazy. All I'm doing is I'm just going to work. I say I'm just going to work. I am a makeup artist, but like nobody cares about my makeup. They just want to look good. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it's so pretty. I just give it a little set with the e.l.f. setting spray. This smells so good. What's the scent on here? I'm all about smells. Green tea, cucumber. Now, this from core memory, but when I did my first music video out in LA, my hotel room in California smelled like this. So every time I smell this smell, I think of that. The first time I got flown out there to do makeup for a music video. Also, you can never put too much on. Honestly, that's pretty much it for just like a normal makeup, just going to work quick, or like, I don't know if I was like running to the grocery store, or I don't really do a lot of makeup anymore. I can show you like a whole glam look, like if we're going to a wedding or something, I definitely still do my makeup for things like that. But for every day, this is pretty much it. So if you want on this video, just comment and I will show you like a full glam if you want to see that too. But this is the everyday look.